Some may think that Ghali is Brancano for this country, Nigeria, especially at the Fourth Republic when he was the Speaker of the National House of Representatives. For good 4 years, he was Speaker and he has done tremendous contribution to the development of the democracy in this country, Nigeria. So his loss, seriously, is not a loss to people of Kano State. It's a great loss to the country, Nigeria. It's a great loss to the democracy.
It's a great loss. It's a monumental loss, not just to his immediate family or to the people of Kano or Kano State, but to the nation as a whole. We have lost an icon. We have lost a leader. We have lost a great man who lived a very modest and pious life. His exit will provide a vacuum that will be too hard to fill. And I pray Almighty God to grant him eternal mercy.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. This is a great loss, not only to Kano people, especially the people of Kano Municipal, but also to the entire country. Ghali is not only a brother, but also is a leader. And as a leader, we'll always miss him for what he has done in Nigeria, especially in the field of legislation.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.